Where did it go? I can't find it anywhere. Oh no! Where is it? My favorite red race car is gone! What are you looking for, Ben? I don't know. I am looking for my red race car. I want to play with it. Is it a big car or a small car? It is a small car. It is fast and red. Ben, why are you sad? I miss my friend. Mom, I can't find my red car. It is lost. Oh no, sweetie. Let's look together. Where did you see it last? Don't worry, Ben. Let's think. Where did you play with it last? I played with it in the living room. I think. Is it on the coffee table? No, it is not on the table. There is only a book here. Is it under the sofa? It is dark here. No car. Only a dusty marble.
Are we looking for something? Can I help?
Dad, we are looking for my red car. Is it behind the armchair?
Let's see. No, it is not behind the chair.
Is it behind the curtains? No, only my dinosaur toy is here. Is it next to the TV stand? No, it is not next to the TV. Where can it be? Did you have a snack earlier? Yes, I had an apple at the kitchen island. Is it on the counter? No, only the fruit bowl is here. Is it in the cupboard? No, not in here. No car, only pots and pans. Bang, bang! Is it behind the toaster? No, not here.
Look under the chair, Ben. Is that it?
No, that is a yellow crayon. Not my car. Keep looking, Ben. Don't give up. What about the garden? Did you take it outside? What is in the toy basket? That is Lily's basket. It's not. My car is not in there. One doll, one ball, one puzzle. Wait, I see something red. Ta-da! Yay! The red car is back! You see, Ben? It was not lost. It was just in the wrong place. Wow, you're right.
Now, where should the car go so we don't lose it again?
It should go on the top shelf. This is its home. Now I know where it is. Good job, Team Explorers. Yeah, we did it. Can we play with the car now? Yes, let's play together. Vroom, vroom. Hooray! Yeah! Always put your toys away. See you next time. Goodbye.